He's walking above us. He's right above us. Yes. Oh, something there, right, Jason? Yeah, two now, two. What? We had to. Why are you turning? Why are you turning? Yo, we're waiting to resign. I don't know how it's spawn so quick. You have a diamond pickaxe on you? Wow. That creeper. Yeah. They're gonna put it down. This is the right one. Spot. The wrong side.
Anything sweet you? Go and show your ass. Radam! Blood clot, naughty. Fire! 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 もう死んでいる。何？もうは匠でギゼブ。
Good night, good night, good night, good night, y'all beautiful people. My name is Psynos from Kingston, Jamaica. What's up, guys? Boys, Psynos, come in the building, like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, good night. It is a late stream. Shout out to all my massive and crew. Shout out to all my beautiful people on Twitch. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my beautiful people on YouTube. Let's go, man. Yep. Shout out to all my people here in Discord, man. Yeah, we got Mr. Williams up in the building. Jam bad boy. You know what I'm saying? We got Shari, Mogono man friend. Shari Pari up in the building, man. Yeah, you know what I'm just saying? Don't play with me. They in the background. Them don't have no manners. After me just introduce them, them a run from Warden. But anyway, guys.
Your last. Hold on. Sorry to interrupt. Sorry. You going back or are you looking for something else?
They are here. In my mind, running around and playing with the warden down there. They tripping. I ain't doing that. But trying to invite my engineer UPS, but he be tripping. He not pulling up. I don't know what happening. Maybe he fell asleep. I have no idea. But yeah, we're here, we're live, and we're ready. Oh yeah. So what we gonna do today? What we gonna do today? We need to go make some space, you know what I'm saying? Jam Gaming and Shari Parr, they're down there hanging out with their friend, the Warden guy.
Yeah, we building the vibes down here with the warden. You need to join us.
Are you tripping?
You're missing out.
Yeah. The palace need me, you know? You can't have a kingdom without a king, you know? Yeah, man, me go and stay right there, so. I go build. Remember, I need to done build my floor them. I need to live. My dogs have to live. My dogs have to live. I'm not gonna fight any damn warden that caught up in the crib. Because I wanna live. Yeah, I be tripping. Yeah, man, that's who pull up, man.
The warden over.
You guys found the warden?
Yeah.
So you guys just taking pictures and hanging out with him?
Yeah, we just chilling.
Oh, you guys just chilling, alright. Tell him hello for me. Tell him when I come back, I have a chop for chop him and I'm fired. Yeah, man, I come with a bossy sword. Tell him some my sword, a Nike sponsor it. And you see the first chop me give me your Alexa. Prepare funeral. Preparing. Yeah, man. Tell him some soon come link him, man.
Well, it's a good thing he didn't spawn yet, so that's good.
So he's not there?
He's there. We're just not making any noise.
Oh, you guys do sneak.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I really feel bad for this chicken. I'm sorry.
Stop, we're still here. What the hell? Yeah, so we're still there. Your stuff is still here.
So you
Just
kill
not. So how come we stuff still there, Jam?
Am I worried, man?
We have to sort that out when we go back in them because I'm interested in that right now.
Make a link with the game gods.
Them are happy fireworks though. Yes.
So what is he doing? As in you guys see him close by and you guys sneaking?
It's fun, yeah.
Oh.
Trust me, bro, your stream is missing out.
I need, hold on, let me kill them llama here. Come on, know the man llama, please.
You see that? It's because they're, what is that, octopus? Yeah, that's crazy.
What? The octopus.
And they ask what? What? And they ask what? That's what you get for missing out, bro.
Hello, what?
You're missing out.
Get your black ass.
Sense real danger. See, like,
It's glitched, bro. He's not. He's.
guys don't think that the people signal to that white thing. I think there.
Why, bro? I can't hear you. It's so hard to hear you, bro.
But,
I really can't hear you.
I know I'm going to film.
Okay,
Get that headphone.
okay.
I hear you clear.
Alright, I think I'm fun.
Alright, cool.
I'm close to my phone.
Is it glitched out or what?
I'm glitch out, man. As I say, that's why I'm mobbing in the game. I bet every turn up now, boys.
True.
See it there? See it? You go
Yep.
see?
Oh yeah, run! Yeah, run!
You didn't know here.
Dude, run, guy, leave me, bro.
We're over there. Did I get? No, I did something. Terrible.
Yo, they tripping. They don't do.
It's a matter of saying the octopus are not really like they know so I'm mob with them. I know what's up.
You never pick up your armor?
Yeah, no, man.
Oh.
You see some pickaxe there.
No, some having enough.
Yeah, that's my pick.
Sharia died.
The thing is, we died from last night and we come back now and find the stuff here, so it's like he didn't respawn.
And these spawn one
cool.
coming come on.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, run up. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah.
You did that still?
Top G. No, I don't hear him. You good, man. Go on here.
Going to boy.
What? Them you
So
good.
now I want to turn over for me.
You guys hear me?
Forward down the dungeon.
The octopus look like him gone.
Octopus, please come.
Yes. Yes.
Hello.
Crazy.
Hello, Moto.
One go deeper, one go down in this, but we can't go further.
I did, you know, but the thing is,
You know what?
I wonder if there's a way to dig around like the next.
Try to dig and see.
This must be an entrance to the deep dark because.
Well, they have some small deep darks. You know, have to dig.
What is the deep dark? Really?
Well, from what I watched,
they
it's
have a
just
city
full of
down there.
blue rock.
Oh, strong enemies.
Yeah. And you have a city down there. No other mob can spawn in the deep dark. Only the warden.
Oh.
On this bro, me watch your back. Not much I can do still.
Wow.
Is that a stone pickaxe?
They got some fine put the iron stone. Use the iron. You wanna this in them here?
Oh, you get XP from the blocks? That's crazy.
Yes. Shit, no,
Yo.
move too far.
Yeah, dude.
Move too fast.
David tripping, boy.
You're digging so well. Yeah, he's found. He's there.
Making these spawn, man.
So I guess it is possible to dig around without the sensors going off.
Yeah, as long as we are create one. I'm not here. So we want Psynos though.
Keep going, man.
White teeth, black body.
Yeah, that's a what?
One.
People go.
Righty.
This is my sticks at you tripping.
Run. Oh, you're right. Oh. No, 6%. Don't die. Don't die.
Yo, y'all troubling the dude.
We're not troubling. We want to go to the deep dark.
Why you wanna go the deep dark? What's down there?
Whole ancient city.
Let's see.
Hold on.
And
Yeah.
what else?
I don't know. Supposed to find some nice loot. Plus the experience. It's bedrock, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. That's crazy. You guys know if the live still can hear your voice? Cause you could hear when you talk, right? Sharipari on the live to the Discord,
Whenever
right?
you watch the stream, yo, they have a million fireworks at them. Now it's
We already?
So you
no, they have a like Indian holiday called Diwali.
yeah, Diwali, yeah.
They've been going the entire month.
Yeah, Diwali is a big thing, man.
Trust me, man.
Just like the rhythm, cause
And you don't know, say Brampton are the Indian city.
yeah, man.
Oh,
Um,
oh,
um.
don't move.
So what you said, Sharipari, you could hear yourself, right?
No, when I talk in the Discord, no, but when I rewatch the stream, I can hear us talking. Yep, he's there.
Oh, when you watch a live stream, you could hear when you guys talking, right?
Yeah,
Okay, good. So the
but the
live.
thing is, I'm wondering, it's the Discord chat is kind of louder. So, like, say you're saying something and we're talking in the background, to kind of overpower you in the stream.
Yeah,
So I
come
don't
there.
know if you can turn that down, turn us down, so persons watching the stream can hear you.
Oh, so you guys' voice is louder than
Okay.
mine. That's what you're saying.
Yes, so like when we chip in to talk and say
Yeah,
you're saying something, we overpower you.
I think is with the mic, but I did go in the settings and turn on something where it reduce y- y- your your voice when I'm talking and they could hear me. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully that worked. Hi, I'm here for a brief moment. I'm just here to tell you that the reason that I'm not on the stream that much is because of this. Should be sleeping right now, but I'm here to tell you about this. Anyways, good luck streaming. Good night, guys. Big up to yourself, God man. Appreciate the love and the support, my brother. Let's go.
Sinus turn PvP on so I can knock jam in his head. He's
I'm there,
AFK.
but.
Leave me with the warden alone.
The further word,
No, I just want to
babies.
go deeper. Oh,
You are not babies.
like whoever came up with the idea of the warden is evil. Them go to bed one night and say, you know what? Let me just put this in the game.
Mm.
The man is not even the final boss. And
Exactly.
him lick hotter than the final brother. It's alright, man, God, man. I understand, my brother.
What happened a while ago? Why it spawned? Is it because we jumped?
No, that's true. Just break the block and me see this color start go off.
You guys did turn off the
Give me
Digging this one.
turn off the gold.
See it there?
Oh,
See it there?
The
You
gold thing,
can't
yeah.
dig it. We're a bit too close. I
hey,
guess.
Hold on, it's the same area that you guys digging through? In Jam Gaming? In my mind?
Me not here, bro.
I
yeah, the
said,
same place where we blocked
Yeah,
off
man, it's
before.
staying there, block out, we dig
Same.
out back, man.
But the thing is, we did go up, put a
How we go
stairs
outwards, we
there.
can end the stairs ahead. So if we make my stairs, then go up.
okay. So what's in, is that an ancient city or something?
Hmm?
Mm.
Yes.
So
But
what,
sometimes I find some small one now. Some not have no city. You have the big ones, them, and you have some little one like this where I find.
so what you find there? What's so special about that city?
We're not there to more than the water right now. But we are dig for see if we can find a bigger area.
Right, it's smart they all left all the iron farm. Something open.
Alright.
The iron farm.
Yeah, they leave the door open.
Oh, I didn't know.
I mean, I visited the iron farm from that last time.
So
I'm not jam.
Oh my god!
I'll go on it.
Wow, that's cute.
Yeah.
Yo, in my name determined.
determined.
Oh, can you hear that loud phone in the background?
Bust off firework.
What's up, Aaron? Awesome.
Oh, I can turn the
Didn't despawn?
I can turn down your volume. I thought no shy. Let me hear some. Hello?
Hello? Is it working?
Yeah, well I drop you guys volume down to um to yeah, drop you guys volume down to 70. Mr. Williams? Shari, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Shari sound like she annoyed and me like we got missing my ear from the last.
That's not gonna try. Find out how we could do it. So you can hear how loud we are.
Huh?
Wouldn't you ask somebody who's watching the stream if they're hearing us louder? Or if the volume go down?
Yeah, I'm waiting. Godman was here. But
I'll go in the stream and I said tested.
yeah, the sound well low though.
Tested 1, 2, 3. You know really so as
Don't sound different.
yeah, I hear myself but we not so like high.
Yeah, might bring it up back to 70. Talk now. Hello, hello?
Oh, that's it. No one nice to level for was.
Yeah.
Voice isn't that
Cause
important.
for voice was supposed to, you know, for voice was supposed to
Exactly.
look
Yeah, no, I was just trying to balance out everything.
That's good value cross.
What?
One next we can dig somewhere.
I was wondering if you could dig further to the left and then dig like next stairs to see if you open up somewhere else.
You don't have to.
So you know
Other
say
than to the
something
sensor,
taste something not make good enough.
would have to do it
The
further.
iron farm are
Use
weird enough.
gears.
More UPS come look back on the iron farm, it's weird.
The iron farm what do you?
It's just weird. It need for update.
Now,
Yeah, it's weird. It have its time, you say?
you have like
I have one candle.
this one thing.
That's
Big
weird
my
because
like
some drop more candles.
this a big tree was.
Alright. Put him back in.
We say head back down there.
Huh?
Go look for the warden.
No.
Oh, the
Yes,
messed
yeah,
up
head
thing.
back there.
What?
We're digging so far in. If he hits us, we're dead for sure.
Dead.
So hold on.
Well.
Alright,
Just start going
so
straight from here.
Mr. Williams, you're saying that the same area that he's at, you guys start dig up back, or you guys just digging deeper,
No, we
Dig
dig.
around.
or you digging around?
But there are sensors there, so it's like
No,
you don't
what the
have an
fuck is
option
it?
to go around.
Jump off? I'm not jump off.
Because you're crouching.
Yeah, but we see you can't jump in, you're not cool.
Anything?
So, light up the place there.
This was where I went yesterday. It was around to the right. Over there. Yeah, definitely.
The same place.
Around here.
So like one. So like one before one man. This one big one.
Around here.
You say something around there?
But yeah, somebody plays a candle there too. A torch. Oh no. Some, oh, there's spiders there.
Be careful of that. Seems. No.
Yeah. So, I'm okay. This I make up nice. I just I go sir. Big rock.
Hold on, we are back up back one. We are going to say.
Don't say.
So we go run go. I think tomorrow.
We're dead, brother. No, we're not dead. No, bro, this is a different place.
Different one now?
Yep.
So hold on, you guys found the city?
Awesome.
Like a different. You see, it's a different place.
Yeah, but so one shot, so one sit there. Okay.
But there's like an entrance. There's a walk, like a tunnel entrance here.
Mm-hmm. You can't spawn, just to see you, sir. Be careful. Hope me not see none of this in there.
The sensor.
Yeah, you know, the moving thing there. But see one of this cold there.
Isn't that a good thing?
I see one of the hole there, sir. Boom, God, run, did it?
What? Hold on,
We just stay move. We just see
we
move.
did. We did.
Oh, we
Yep,
did,
we
we
did.
did. We go run with them and it's fast. Jump back in the water, I'm not thinking you can swim as well. Pull. Me I swim so, me dead. Sorry, gone left me right.
Where are you? Like,
Sorry,
oh,
fuck.
spawned. He spawned. He's right here.
You know where they?
He's right.
Two of them. Shit. Two of them.
There's two wardens, bro.
Yeah.
Like he's right
Two of them.
behind you here.
Yeah, man. Now you
Dead. If we go so, yeah, if we go so, we go so, we dead.
Bro,
Have to
come
stay in that
right
water.
here. He stays right there. Look at that
So you don't stay
beam.
up there? Really be. Me, I did that.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead.
You like you?
You hit me. You hit me, yep.
But don't hit me too, you know.
Oh, you make it out.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't even come down in this.
Yo, you're missing something, son.
Tomato, what's up? Welcome to live stream, my friend. How you doing, man? How you doing, bruh?
Me dead just a while ago. I can't believe you make it up. That means you're one of them, then. Hold up, baby Psynos.
Be a trouble. A nice share, make.
This was your portion, gunpowder. I'm gonna take gas. Need a redstone.
I'm gonna do it going for
Gravel. I know I brought 2 buckets of water. No matter.
yeah, I'm walking.
A bit of water. Iron. So,
Next time we are go mine diamond mine. We are go wild.
yep.
We don't go bedroom. We think we need it. We think we need to take up the shortcuts. The skull them.
So
If
is
we
that
not
what
pick them up,
makes the shulker box?
no man. Shortcut box if we find that in the city. A long journey that if we go in at the end with the dragon there. And then we add a portal. We add a portal there and then we have to go through that the portal. And then and it's a mob, no? Them shoot out some stuff, float you up in the air. Like you're high in the air and then like the effect come off of you and you start fall. And I go dead. And then well strong. But you can hide everything from young. Yeah. Even know where the portal. You want everything for yourself. So.
In portal.
Mm-hmm.
In portal.
Yeah, that's where the dragon is.
How about we block off here?
You see, I go shoot the beam, you know. Block off.
You know what? Never mind. We'll get lost.
I think me I go go for my sitting there. Sick touch pickaxe. I'm gonna take up a shot the sitting there. That the sitting over there. So I see me can reach here.
So what is this? This yellow one here.
You think no one know the really did not
You
know?
said dig it the last time and it's spawn.
I think no one really did not know. I think flowers one. One
Try
here.
jumping up. Try go up and in.
Up more. Up. Dig up.
Oh, you see, can't kill them again. The silk touch that we use.
Dig up.
The sensor, like.
Yeah, we can pick them up with the silk touch pickups. Me left with silk touch in the chest. I wonder if we could walk for try and pick them up.
Well, how fast can you pick them all up before one
That
start
again before and so on. That was it. One alone in if it's spawn. If it's spawn.
Unless
So
I
that
go for
I go
mine
for
too.
skull first.
Oh, the skull.
Yeah, that is over this hit. If you look carefully, so when them light up and give off a signal, all that
Light up
signal go
skull.
to his skull. This when you go
Also,
to the skull, and then I see his skull start send out the signal. So we are check. Where I go for this is touch because yeah, go back and try to take them.
guys, can't go here. What is this? Where is this? Who digs here?
Okay. But not the data. Here.
Um, you see what I've seen, right?
Oh
You
shit,
see what
yeah.
I'm seeing, right?
I need pickaxe.
I do
Lava
have one.
moment.
Hold on.
Oh, still up. No, but no.
Look at that. God is good.
See lava, but this one is still not gonna give me bedrock. I said bedrock. Give obsidian. Remember, say I need a diamond pickaxe.
Diamond pickaxe for what?
Oh, you have iron. Oh, you have
I have
iron
the iron
pickaxe.
pickaxe.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Shit. Shit.
Remember spawn?
Yeah, there's like skeletons and stuff. Only have one candle. Use it wisely.
I'm bigger cave up so. No, I
The
can't dig it
bow is
though.
unbreaking.
Go with unbreaking. Mm. You pick out the diamond in?
Yeah, it was right here.
No. Gonna use a fortune pickaxe so I get more.
Oh,
So
more
all let's
diamond.
say,
I left it in the house. Alright, zombies here. You have any more torches?
no, 5. Let me see what up there. Or not this day. No diamond and lapis.
What's that blue thing over there?
Lapis.
Oh, the thing you need for the book. This is an undiscovered part.
Yep.
See.
Welcome to the live stream, my friend, but not
I'm
at the
trying to
moment.
need to run the soil of it.
We're not taking anybody at the moment. We're trying to repair,
What is that
upgrade,
for?
and fix up the world. Until then, yes, I do apologize. I almost lost this world to a troll, someone who I invited that thought that hey, they're good people, but they actually wanted to destroy my world, and they almost summoned the end dragon. So
What's this?
yeah, but do apologize about that, my friend. Thanks for passing through. Yeah. So we're trying to make it so safer, and I'm building with my team,
Oh, fish spider.
trying to make my world way safer.
Not too long, so still in show.
Boom.
Yeah, skeleton boy.
Can find a way
Oh,
down there.
I'm nearly dead. Jump down, man. What in the man like him mad, sir?
There's an Enderman. There's an
Yeah,
Enderman.
yeah.
Give me a
Like
second,
him mad
guys.
at you too. Nothing really dang a sure, you know, if come.
Shit. Did
You mad at you?
I kill him?
You know mad at you, man. Jerry lick him, man. He dead.
Dead now. He dead.
No, you're not dead, man. Go in the water. Come in the water. The water, yes, sir. Jump in the water. You're afraid of water, you know. See me can lick him. Stay in the water.
He's behind you. Hold on, we candles down. We
Can
curse.
do. No, stay in the water. Oh, shit.
Oh shoot, I'm dead. I have 2.5 hearts.
No, see, just stay in the water. You know. See him there. Shit. See him.
There we go. That's crazy.
Mm. Alright, don't
I
get too
can't
dark.
mess with.
We need to.
Yeah, too much.
Hmm? You have black for bill?
Yeah.
Okay. Go straight up.
Wait on. Are you survivor?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh
Oh,
shit, see not
there's
sure.
a creeper.
Where you come from though?
Here. For the water bottle.
You lost him. Jesus Christ, a boy will kill me, you know. Where in there? Forget it. No. Wow,
Kill.
Mr. Like, why I get damage?
Yeah.
Are they not shooting still? What are this? We need more tar for now.
I'm guessing you came from here? Yep.
So,
Yeah, definitely.
mirror, he's forget last, isn't it?
Oh, here. Oh my
My
gosh.
cousin.
Hold on.
Where come from though?
Where's this? Hold on. This is that.
No, sir. How comes this, sir? We not.
Oh,
I don't
this is
worry
where.
this.
Yeah.
Oh, this is where we come on.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You see, I go for silk touch.
Yeah, I go for you.
Oh, this is where we went.
Yeah.
Sinus mine.
You know, so?
Some maze. So here.
Where we have to come out, you know?
Um, there's a waterfall.
You
Yep,
know,
for
bring salt.
candles right here.
Yes.
Everywhere else I know to go, but I don't know. But I know how to find the word.
Huh? Where be the shore?
Yeah, reach it here. Over here.
No, no. cock still there. Can't carry down there. Never. Can't carry down there, no pickups.
Honestly, so much.
Well, me have you now.
Anyways, alright.
Ready?
Oh, I had your.
You have the pawns. I carry the bed.
You sure you want the deck?
Yeah, me carry. So if we did with that, we close by.
Oh yeah.
But we not dead now. Going down there. We don't gonna spawn. Where red
One.
torch
Which
in?
way is it?
Oh,
Oh, here.
mm, mm.
Why is it two of them down there? Hmm. They're slime things, man. Take a look at that.
Oh, jeez, somebody must eat. Alright, I'm gonna put the bed
The eggs.
here. Hit it. Make sure you split a spawn. Mm-hmm. Shit. We can't. What? Oh, where they growing? I don't want to take up. We just do. Yeah, why you have to put it over the other side? Yeah. Why you have to put it over the other side? You can do this again. Okay. Very good. Let me hit you again just to make sure it don't hit the cake. Just hit it again to make sure. Come in now, go spawn it. He going spawn and what? We are go for skull first. Right there, me now really see how long tonight, you see. 11 and a half. Been late for work.
Jamaica's largest business expo and trade show is back.
Sound as quiet, so you don't understand.
Yeah, sure.
I don't know.
The same part as true. Check his true. Check his true. Nope, you know did it.
Oh,
So I just got knocked out again. So Minecraft still no man, you tired out of passing. More things fed up in the Minecraft.
hmm. Say, oh my gosh, my silk touch is back at home. Do you need to
Oh, you
silk
never
touch
have
to
it?
break the sensors?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You know want to break them, want to pick them up. I wonder how me go over this. If
Thing
me
look with your
jump down,
mom.
if me
Yeah,
jump
that's
down, me
the
know it
thing.
all go. And I ask me,
I mean, you can dig.
well, honest, so I never jump down your sand then in. See me can.
Yo,
You see, if you break that block right there, you can walk straight across. This block right here.
Oh, the one right that's up.
But
See me
that's the
can
thing.
reach.
Oh,
Shit them shit.
oh no,
Wow.
no, 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 no.
Don't,
It
oh
wasn't,
shit,
it
me
wasn't gonna
ever,
spawn
me
there.
ever,
It
me
wasn't gonna
ever.
spawn. Yeah, he's gonna spawn there.
No, so me a coward.
Hold on, he didn't spawn. He didn't.
Psynos, come down in here, boy, you start.
For some reason.
Yeah.
you know, say, let's so end the stream because I'm tired, bro. Work today.
This is sleep at clock.
Yeah, man, I have to go Portland today for sort out something for a tour me I gotta do.
Stay go man, bro, man. Look, me just wanna tell Shy so me not stay as long tonight because work on morning. I get some early sleep.
Hey Pixel, what's up? Well, it's another time start like at school. Can I ask you if you
Oh,
can check dungeon?
don't move, don't move.
You know, go spawn man in school, bro.
Yeah, look at that. He did that.
There's no skull for you.
Yo.
And if you use the other skull long, let's look at two of them on.
The
No,
one
I
that you
haven't.
found at the
I
next
haven't
part?
checked
Yeah.
Minecraft dungeon as yet, Pixel.
You know the thing? I wonder if there's a next code somewhere close by. Don't think so.
I can't take up the one now. Oh, I'm just a skull over here.
What's been happening with
Yeah,
Minecraft
I break them
dungeons
one of
though?
them. They look pretty. I break all of them. They look nice. Don't break them. I like how them I
Actually,
like. I like how them I like.
you have torch
But me
to
think I could have
attack.
picked them up.
Okay.
I don't have no torch, you know. I have one torch. I must have go down
Silence,
it down.
silence, my friend. Can you carry some torch, come please?
Sure.
You don't have to come in, just at the entrance.
Yeah, man, I coming.
You can't come up, man, because you're sitting out there, you know.
He's not gonna spawn. He's only
I have a
this
skull,
part of the
man.
skull.
I heading down there now.
I have a skull, bro.
Yes, yes, yes. Alright, let me watch for this too, because it's a yapping.
Sorry, that easy.
Let me see what you are do. Okay, better. Okay,
Get him out of come.
of
Yeah,
course.
I just gonna drop it
Oh,
off and leave.
forward.
He's not gonna spawn though, that's the thing. You can't come up here.
You can't,
No,
you can't come
no,
up, bro. I have a skull, man.
no good
He
man.
not spawn.
Here.
I tell
You
you
have a
guys the
skull,
next
bro.
time I come down there, killer
I
killing
like
him.
that the
I just
but
preparing
he's not
myself.
here though.
He's not here, bro. You have a skull, bro.
No
Yeah,
man.
bro.
The blue rocks giving XP. That's cool.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's great.
Oh, bro, I found lava right here. Right here, right
Yeah,
here.
but me need like a pool of lava. That the one
Well,
that if you put water on it, it go turn out in a cobblestone. We need like a pool of lava.
Okay. From school, I'll be back on. Yeah, it is 10 8:37 p.m. for me.
What is this thing? I got it. Damn, I got something. What's it called? Skulk sensor?
Hmm?
I got something. Let
Oh,
me
the
drop it.
skull. The other one.
Uh,
So I get the one. I'm a copy. Oh shit! Oh, you sleep though.
Okay, so I'm near you guys now.
Same friend told.
What in here?
You need some toy. One next call long about her, remember?
Yeah,
But
that's the thing too.
but who you guys keep asking for lava, and there's a lot of lava down there.
I need a pool of lava, bro.
Then make some bricks around it and form a pool.
We're terrible, man. We need a big side, just lava. So when we throw the water, out the obsidian we found. That the lava there come from out of the wall, so it not gonna work.
Where you guys at now? Let me come give you the thing.
You will make the first ride.
Okay.
Oh, that
Oh,
pathway I
that's
made.
right.
Yeah, man. See him part way.
The block up here.
Hold on. I'll continue going up. You said continue going up.
Yeah, straight. You also want stairs?
I keep going up. But
No,
I'm gone.
you
please,
need.
let me come for you.
Stop right there, bro.
Yeah, you got the wrong place.
Okay, you're gone. Run.
I saw them money about up my mind. Jesus, I'm gonna
You
rip
come
my
down in
mind.
my mind?
You see the bed?
Yeah.
No, I don't stay in bed. That mean I'm it.
No, so you're not coming in my
Oh,
mind.
oh, he's at the top, at the
Oh,
first
see you there,
right.
man. Come down this one.
Second right.
You say I'm
No,
supposed to
no,
take
you
the
may
right.
just
This is
go
Yeah,
it.
man. Hold on.
come straight down.
Yo, come for the stone. For the.
Come, look at
Come
the
on, come
trees
up on
here.
it. Nah, spawn silence. Look,
He's
Yeah,
not,
keep that in my
that's
hand.
yeah, but
fine.
I tell you
This
guys,
color
me,
in my hand, when
me not interested, man.
this
Become.
color. Me have it that, bro. You can't spawn again.
I really not. I'm not afraid
Oh,
of
look,
him,
oh,
you
look.
know.
No,
But
you not spawn. I'm afraid. I'm telling you, I'm not his skull. See that?
mm.
Big man, take away his. I know, take away something, man. No spawn.
Nah, I can't afford to lose my things, them.
Bro, me have his skull, man.
Look how long. We would have died a long time
Bro,
ago.
tell him to have his skull like he don't believe. Bro, don't believe we are
No, but
that.
it's not
Bro,
one
don't make you
warden.
lose yourself, so, man. You know, see, I'm serious in that, man. They know me to lose yourself. No, no, chicken can't spawn, because I broke the skull. We had to give off the thing.
So forward,
If you
man.
put back the skull now, then he goes spawn.
So forward, man. I'm so comfy, boy,
Wow,
man.
you
No
look
one
pretty though with the light.
So cute.
I'm telling you
I'm a creep from now because I know there's an exposed
Yo, I
something.
had a one they don't miss up.
Look at that.
that. So forward down there,
Finding
man. No run.
diamonds.
Yeah,
Tell
don't
us where
worry
you find
yourself.
diamond with us.
Yeah, I figure you guys can find diamonds.
Yeah.
You know, so me I tell you if I come out of my mind.
Sorry.
But now I don't have my things them in my mind.
Oh,
The one next call that's on my place, you know.
Very good.
I will get shake.
Yes, I remember where that come from.
Okay.
Yep. Mm.
No man, no skull. Me not see no skull. Me just see sensors.
Just mark it with the. Remember, use the light as a pathway to come out. Ow.
Yeah. Oh, what's up? Here we go.
This looks like it's leading to a cave.
Yeah, man. Look down there, sir.
Yeah.
Hold on. Which one on the take on my bed? You know, which one on the come down and take on my bed?
Don't move it, you know. Don't move it yet.
We carry a little further. Don't touch it.
What I mean?
So put it back, man. Don't break it, you know. If I break it, like right now.
I don't even know where you guys put my bed. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Alright, let me
put it closer to it, so if we're dead.
Let me put back one, cause y'all be tripping.
Yes, that the lava them want to know.
Them dudes come in my kingdom taking over my stuff, bruh. You know, so no better. You gotta start charging, you know.
You know, say more over this, I'm sorry. Further over this.
I start renting, you know, every day, every 10 day game day, you have to pay me one diamond. Now rent me rent. Maybe one of them tenant there with us. They back out yo, my diamond head. Them landlord, where my diamond head.
Oh yeah, beautiful. What am I supposed to reach on this system?
Pixel. And you will start live streaming soon because tomorrow Spooky Fest is coming on Minecraft. Okay, cool. You start Pixie's talking about Minecraft dungeons.
Really sure.
From you.
You not come down.
Build the blocks, I can't reach.
Yup man, you not touch on damage. Yeah, tap on that and then I broke it. Broke the one. No, break the one.
Anyways, would they be the way still? Cause
yeah, the man them.
If you build go.
But we get either way. You wanna run something?
Yeah.
There's someone going on, man.
Bro, I get
Oh no, me can't.
Bro, I get 30 at torch, you know, you're wicked, you know, Mr. Williams.
No, torch, I don't know, 30. You see you down your dog?
Yeah, man, so you know what me come down there for?
Yeah, but what's that now?
You know, want to kill off the king, so you can take over my kingdom.
I see you there.
Okay.
No, bro, me tell you something, have the nah.
I know one.
What's the purpose though?
Obsidian.
And I did change my skin in dungeon, so I'm
not sure, so we need a pool of lava and this is see what's that now? Got the lava gone. But me not care no diamond picker. So me can't go mining. This is a higher. So go take forever. I think me can't use no other pickaxe.
Yeah, it's taking forever.
It take forever. Alright, leave it. Like, we know where this team may come up.
Remember, yeah.
I want to become a bit one of the interested.
Alright.
So I can't carry it around. So I'm not have to worry about losing my stuff. Just drop them in there. Come on, sharp. Play lights there.
You know what? Let me drop them. So I only have 9 remaining, so careful.
So where they in there? You take them back up, man.
Oh.
Life hard.
I can take them back up. Yeah, you take them back up again and put.
So I'm gonna drop them over there.
Only 9?
Yeah, me have them now.
Only 9 thoughts left,
No
Shy Bar.
one did.
Mr. Williams, what you say? What you say I do? I hold the thing in my hand, right? While being in the gold mine to get the experience with the mending to let it fix it back, right?
Say that again?
I go down into the activate the gold mine, go there and then get the experience to repair the thing, right?
Stand up at the wall there. Oh, some
No,
more
that
ramen.
don't sound right at all.
No man, that's not right there. Oh, that's true. That's right
No,
there.
no, no, that don't sound
Yeah,
right.
man.
It's too wicked.
That's not right today, bro. And then
No, no,
put it on the wall. Put the water on the wall.
I'm a married man. You can't tell me to do that.
On the side of the wall over there, so you'll over there.
This?
So what you say? I hold it in my hands, right?
Stick on the wall.
Well, I'm going to
It's
play
not right
dungeons
The
here.
wall
with the
really, yeah,
time
that's
I
big,
have
eh?
because I won't be enough time to play with you because I have to go 7:20, which is really soon. Okay, Pixel.
Right, okay, me. I come back down here for them. Read them. But me, I think maybe I'm gonna think of tonight.
Alright, guys, this is my gold
Tomorrow.
mine.
Cruise.
Yeah, because remember, so the next show, the next yeah, we can get the one. But the one they kind of. Let's see if we can get the one.
Hello. I'm trying to figure. Come on.
Straight up. Just be straight up.
Yo, guys,
I'm not gonna go so care
how
about
come I'm not getting the experience?
Yeah, I get him.
I see nothing leveling up, boy.
You know, to say the signal of the push up, that was so much on the wall, you know? Like you want to go, you never drop off the soul, you do. Start freezing on it.
I'm still not getting anything. No.
I don't remember if it was VPS. I thought
Yeah, I even turn on the grinder and let them pile up in there. That's what I'm doing. Bed, 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 bed.
You come with a full touch there.
There.
Yeah, there it is. Hello.
still a digging. I don't want to eat up in that corner without the one today.
That moves. 2 in 1 Chris. That happens.
Alright guys, I didn't get any of the I didn't get any of the points. None at all.
Let me say something.
Yeah? Oh, someone left it down.
Okay, you turned it off.
No, Mario, I'll turn on. Remember, turn off.
Psynos, remember you turned it off for me?
You're right.
Oh yeah, I remember. Oh, Pixie, so you had unsubscribed. Okay. You just subscribed 26 minutes ago. And download Xbox app so we can talk. I think you should just join the Discord. I play on PlayStation 4, bro, so yeah. And Luminous Night already passed. Yeah.
I'm still a creep. I will mash up the whole license.
Okay, cool. I think my goat farm is broken, guys. Something is wrong.
I don't think nowhere else.
We're gonna need the engineer UPS. Come on,
they have big one with the city, and they have some little one like these. But this one like a small little one.
But my thing is, bro, what exactly is there for you to get?
Well, I have chests. I say I have some chests. Where I get some roots and stuff.
Okay.
And just a cool scene I could visit.
Oh, so you guys just found one?
No. Find a little one. We was searching to see if we could find the big one.
Did somebody died? You realize that you realize that the loot's not disappearing? Is that normal?
Well, the loots of when we die.
Yeah, you realize they're not vanishing.
Nah, disappear as fast.
No, it not disappear, none at all.
And
no.
We wasn't close to it. You see, if we were close to it, like up above it, playing around and stuff, these spawn, but wasn't close to it. Them say when you die and you come up here stuff. The closer you get to it, and the faster you gonna despawn. Try your best and run. Sure, where you go?
I'm wondering how far this mine goes. This is bedrock, right?
Oh, so you guys reach bedrock level now. Nice.
How far did you dig to?
This is sorry.
How far
wait.
did you dig the mine to? Where does it end?
Psynos a big number side.
What you said? What you said, Mr. William? We explore.
Sorry, I asked how you dig out the mines. I can't make train.
Oh man, a natural dig and then some of it is cave. Me and the man him explore, man. We're supposed to go on the next exploration, don't bro? Me, you and Talify. Sure, can roll too. Man, we need to go deep and get some serious diamond.
That's what I'm saying. Where did you stop? Because this looks like it's gonna stop. It's just going.
No man, you keep on going. Let me tell you that for sure.
So you find diamonds, man, you can.
Yeah.
You go on go piece and think you go book up in a diamond. You have
And
to
that,
dig.
yep. And that's why I say I have the best mind. My mind that's not done.
Next
Okay,
time me I go
this is
go
really
for diamonds. Me I go white. Me I go wild level.
Right.
That was the origin. That was the original diamond spot. Wild level. Alright, Sean. I'm heading back up.
Guess what?
Um,
I'm down there.
oh, you know,
I
China's
found
give.
some. I
Give
found
a
some.
year.
Can't beg you too.
Drop a little tube here.
Be too man.
I thought you should have used a sorry. Should have brought them.
Yeah, yeah, but I go back up in it.
Should have get more.
Oh, me
So
need
we had it.
forget that perk they don't. Fortune make you get more don't when you put it on the pickaxe. How much to buy that?
The
How much you buy for again? I mean 30 something.
Yeah, and thief.
Yeah, some villager, the villagers them too expensive, man. You have some cheap villagers where you can get any book for like 1 emerald, just one single. But some of them expensive. But UPS bring them all the way over there, so bloody. If you go get one book, not to go through there, man.
Yeah, because him don't want nobody something there. Brand
Yes, but
and remember him never did like the fact that somebody
yeah, mate.
mine stream place. Remember that what they happen.
When you play genuine people, you don't need to do that, man.
It's,
I know kids now, you know.
yeah, but remember, you know, bro.
Kids now, you know.
No capping, bro. Some people,
I can't get my own villagers, them, man. You can't get my villagers, them. But you say I go dig them, so I say, alright. Why I go have so much? I would have to kill lava.
no man. Let me tell you what happened, bro. Even him realize the same thing with me. Man, not tell no lie, bro. Man, not talk. Couldn't still enough. You realize? You remember how much things we did have in the house, bro? You remember remember you just joined me after I start build the first phase of the place. You remember how much things me they have in my suitcase? In all of my thing them go in there go look in there now. Them gone. The same with the livestock. I say yo, you see if you use the livestock them, me not have a problem because you know I build the place to supply everybody. Bro, when me come back, the man them kill off everything. Everything missing, all of the seed them, all of the blood them, nobody not put them back. UPS that cost me, I say, yo bro, you need to stop feed the whole world because them not put back nothing, and that was one of the reasons why him hide in place. Cause the man realize say I use the thing them and now put it back.
Stand the partner still.
And you know who they are to love thief the thing them now. But we not call no name. You know what I mean?
You know, man.
Yeah man, me no cause no trouble. Man, them thief out the whole of the thing them. Jesus Christ, me find lava. Jesus, lava.
So I wanna get one of the interests for my food and stuff with them.
Who is even in the server because UPS isn't even online. Oh, I'm power level 259. You can get this by just doing towers. I made a few videos on my okay. It's just me and Shari and Jam Gaming. We're the only ones here.
Okay.
Yeah, UPS.
Departure this.
Same here.
UPS isn't here right now. I started
Where
off.
Oh.
I started off the live stream a little late today. I had to work.
Come back down for them obsidians.
Yeah, Pixel. Psynos Gaming does
Make
different work. Gotta work to make the money. Why you giving me?
Obsidians.
Why you giving me red dust? I don't want no damn.
This is a big blob.
Somebody put one bed. Big blob move, man. I have to take out my diamond pickers, man. Me give him a lot.
Yeah. Did he spawn something?
Hmm?
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm saying. He didn't spawn. I didn't see him spawning. Where's my kids? Yeah, I'm gonna get kicked. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you got kicked.
I'm gonna spawn tomorrow in the cave.
Sharparo, you got kicked. What happened?
Connection. My connection.
Side.
Nothing.
Come on, go to head off, because
Yo, I find one rock stone, me a chip it how long and it not chip. Is that bedrock stones?
Yeah.
Weird.
Like cable, when a cable breaking up.
Yeah.
That's not, yeah, that is.
No, come down there. I'm gonna go for stuff.
Oh. Now come man, no run yourself man.
You say I come for kill.
Alright then man. I'm gonna come down there still come.
Yeah, let's call them still enough.
Let you guys show me. Yeah, you know, so from me see that, you know, so from me see that one, I'm not like dig. Like, I'm afraid. You don't feel the same way to Shari? Like, you make you free?
Yeah, sort of excitement to see.
Yeah, well, you're used to it the amount of time you're
Oh,
dead, so.
find the ancient city,
Jesus
man.
God.
War furnace.
Be a lava, me a find. Yes, sir. What's it called? Like End City?
City.
Ancient shit. The end cities is in the NR. Could I beat the dragon and I go through that portal?
So we go beat that idiot dragon then. Not that hard for it, you know.
You say you have to be.
Now you just have to know for dodge, cause I did fight him and bring down him health. Remember that time, Shari? You know if I bring down his health? Okay.
Bro, I call it a night. I'll jump on again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Tomorrow again, same time, same place. Them in the deep dark. I go back for the obsidians, man. I will come on so we can build the entrance.
Yeah. But to end the, or you gonna leave the right child for it?
You're still in the Discord?
If I'm still in the Discord?
Yeah, I'll still be in the Discord.
Oh, you play some other game?
I'm on Warzone.
I'm heading back up. And so. I'm about to end the live stream too, cause I have to wake up early, and then could get some rest.
Peeps, tomorrow.
Nice.
Alright then, bro. Bless up.
Night, the rest of the night. Come on.
Hey, my PS4 sound like you to take flight.
When last have you cleaned it? Like open it
Open
though.
it up?
Yeah,
I
open it.
haven't since I bought it. In
That
like
mean
what,
it clog
2020?
up like literally sharper one big ball of dust.
Really?
Yeah, tally 5 my cuz. Yeah man, him open up mine for me. Literally like one big clunk like fur.
And
Big
I find
fur
that so
ball was a
satisfying to
dust.
clean too, so
Yeah man, but it's not something easy for breakdown
right.
and so holy parts.
Like sometimes I think it'll explode when
Yeah, it needs to clean. Trust me.
I think all these songs like that when you're playing Warzone because Warzone is so much
Oh, the graphics. Yeah.
space, yeah.
Well, guys, this is a short stream. Thank you very much, guys. I do apologize. I hope tomorrow will be, tomorrow will be a much earlier day for me to stream and be on longer. To my core peeps, I gotta work. Yeah, thank you very much, Tomato Sandwich. I gotta work, guys. Sinus Gaming does work. Different work apart from this work that actually keeps the light on. So thank you very much for watching this live stream. God bless you guys. Love you guys very much, and remember that nothing can stop us. Kiss God I will rock. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and big ups. Yeah.